Are you sitting on a pile of blog posts that could be working double time for you? In this video, I'll show you how to use Pictory AI to turn blog content into fully polished YouTube videos, fast, professional, and completely faceless. Let's turn words into visuals and get your content seen by thousands more people. Section 1. Why repurposing blogs to video works. Video content dominates in 2025. But writing blogs still has its place, especially for SEO. So, instead of choosing between blog posts and videos, why not repurpose? Benefits of converting blogs into videos. Tap into new audiences on YouTube. Recycle evergreen content. Increase ROI on old content. Build authority across platforms. Section 2. Overview of Pictory AI. Pictory is an AI-powered platform that transforms your written content into professional videos. It handles everything: scene setup, visuals, voiceovers, captions, and even branding. Section 3. Importing a blog post. Let's turn one of our blog posts into a video right now. Screen tutorial. Click Article to Video. Paste in blog URL or text. Pictory auto generates the script summary. Select video aspect ratio, YouTube 16:9. Pro tip: edit your text slightly before import for better scene segmentation. Section 4. Scene customization and styling. Once the scenes are generated, you can customize everything. Scene visuals, text overlay, font style and color, logo placement, background footage. Mini tip: use brand templates to keep your videos looking consistent. Section 5. Adding voiceovers. Next, let's add narration. You can use built-in AI voiceovers. Upload your own recorded audio. Use 11 Labs or other AI tools for more advanced options. Section 6. Add music, captions and branding. Let's polish things up. Pictory lets you add background music, auto-generate accurate captions, insert branded intros, outros and watermarks. Section 7. Exporting and uploading. Once it's ready, export your video in HD and upload it directly to YouTube. Don't forget to optimize your title, description, and tags using ChatGPT or TubeBuddy. Screen share. Export settings plus uploading process. Bonus monetization tips: you can also repurpose these videos for LinkedIn, Instagram Reels, TikTok, with vertical format, embedding back into your blog post, selling in courses or lead magnets from blog to video in less than 30 minutes. Pictory AI is a game changer for faceless creators and solopreneurs. Hit like, subscribe, and check out the next episode in this playlist where we explore the best AI voiceover tools for YouTube channels.